This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, April 25th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have some energy moving through the Great Lakes up into eastern Canada. Another piece of energy moving across the desert southwest. A west to west northwesterly flow across our part of the country is going to bring us some slightly cooler air today, with highs likely in the 50s to lower 60s across the state as winds begin to switch around to the south and west across the plain states. That'll be moving in our direction here on Friday. That could bring a little bit of moisture, especially in Missouri, Kansas, down into Oklahoma and Texas. May skim the far southern counties of the state, but the chances are about 20% or less. Highs Friday will be in the 60s statewide. We could see 70s here Saturday, maybe approaching 80 by Sunday. Both Saturday and Sunday look fairly dry with some partly to mostly sunny skies around. And then we head over to Sunday again, some southwesterly winds, temperatures in the 70s to maybe approaching 80 in some areas, with mainly, as I said, partly to mostly sunny skies. But a storm system will be approaching from the north and west, and that could bring us a few showers and thunderstorms, especially Sunday night into Monday. Then the front stalls as it waits for the next storm that's coming across the northwest here on Monday. And that comes our direction here Tuesday. But Tuesday looks to be fairly dry, at least during the daylight hours. Still southwesterly winds around. Highs well into the 70s. But by Tuesday night into Wednesday, a frontal system will come through, or begin to come through, with some showers and thunderstorms. The low pressure center is shunted way off to the northeast. Could there be severe weather with this system? It's a little too early to tell, but we could see a lot of rain, at least an inch of rain possible. And a week from today, that system begins to cut off into a cutoff low over the Great Lakes. And unlike the previous runs, this one gets shunted to the north and east. But if this was right, a week from today, it'll turn much cooler, highs back into the 50s, and showers and thunderstorms from the Great Lakes down into the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley and into the Gulf Coast, while no weather from here westward. A couple days later, on May the 6th, now we have pretty much a westerly flow, trough digging in across the west with another system moving into the north and west, ridge pumping up over central Canada, up into Hudson Bay, and that'll keep us fairly tranquil. We could have some rain showers to our north and east, some to our south and southwest. We'll stay, mainly dry, a few clouds around if this would be right, with some seasonal temperatures. And at the end of the forecast on May the 10th, we have a Omega type pattern, a big ridge over the central part of Canada, trough over the north and west, or trough over New England. And that would bring us some, seasonal weather, dry weather, but some rain showers approaching across the plain states, and that could be coming in here a day or so later. And seasonal weather looks to go through mid-May. The satellite image from last evening showed one frontal system across the east coast with a few clouds and a few showers around. Another system moving through our neck of the woods, bringing a few showers around, some clouds over the southwest, and some over Montana as well. The watch morning map from last evening, it's fairly cold, as you can see, with the frost and freeze advisories from Oklahoma and Kansas eastward across Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, and into the Ohio River Valley, and river flood warnings continue in the Midwest down to the Mississippi River. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing very little around here with this system. Most of the precipitation will be past this period, but heavy rain across the south, upwards of 1 to 2 inches possible.